Hello, Niki's Pod. It's Johnny from Holly Hill Farm, and Liza, our friend Liza, is doing some wonderful film work. We wish that you could be here, and if you are not able to be here this week because you're remote and being healthy and safe, we're going to share with you what's going on at the farm so you can continue to be a part of the learning process. So, Niki's Pod. We're going to talk about the 6 plant parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plant parts. Roots and stems and leaves, flowers and fruits and seeds. We're going to start from the bottom up, the roots. Do you know that roots grow underground? And do you know there are even some roots that grow underground that we could eat and enjoy? So I'm going to start with celeriac. This is a nice green plant on the top that you can see, and I'm going to gently pull out the whole plant. You see the soil on the bottom right there? I'm going to leave that soil in the garden bed. We know how important soil is. We talked about that with compost. And then look right here is the root part. That is actually very good to eat. I will definitely wash it up before I eat it or share it. It can be put into a soup, and it could be eaten with green apples to make a salad, but that's the root part that you can actually chop and eat and enjoy. So that's our root part. You can even see some stems climbing up. I want to show you another stem part as we walk over here carefully in a garden to show you the different parts of plants. So we have roots, celeriac. Now we're going to pick a stem part. Right over here, Niki's Pod. I've got a nice big word for you here. Potatoes. Potatoes from May of this year. We planted potatoes. This, I know, is an old potato plant. And this old potato plant has lost its green leaves. But I'm going to pull this plant out, and I'm going to go down and dig a little bit to find what's down below.
And you're digging underneath right where you saw the stem, right?
Exactly. And the stem, I wonder if it's lost its roots or not, but the stem goes all the way down to the bottom, and the potato has become unattached. But look at these potatoes right down underground that used to be a part of the stem. They've fallen off, but they need to be dug out of the ground and enjoyed. We're hoping to find a way to enjoy some potatoes as a school and as a class. So here are the potatoes down underground as part of the stem. Now I want to look right next to Liza here at some leaves. So another plant here, this is a lettuce salad plant. I'm going to pick a nice long stem right there, which goes right into a leaf. Do you see that leaf right there? It's nice and green and tall. And you can eat that leaf too, if it's careful. If you like lettuce leaves that are green or purple or mixed purple and green with different shapes and different patterns to them. So wonderful. Liza's holding a magnifying glass over all those different kinds of green leaves and purple leaves and different shapes and sizes. Almost like a pod, a whole nice happy pod of mixed lettuce greens and purples. So that's part of our leaves. We collected celeriac root, potato stems, mustard green and purple leaves. Next come flowers. Can I show you some flowers over here? Beautiful purple flowers. These are Beth's favorite. Beth, who teaches at the charter school, loves the amaranth. So look at these pretty flowers all reaching up and out. And I'm going to show you a little bit about how these flowers have all kinds of beautiful little seeds to them. I don't know if you can see them here.
Oh, there, now you can.
So they're very tanny. I'm going to find some more here. You need to wait for the flower to be pollinated without giving away too much here, because that will help us identify the seeds. They're small and orange, boys and girls. So Liza's great camera work and her steady hand can show little orange seeds. Are they appearing on the camera, Liza?
They are.
Good. So inside the flower, when the flower's finished its blooming, you've got teeny tiny little seeds there. I forgot to mention the fruits. So fruits is part of what a plant makes. And right here is a little teeny tiny husk cherry tomato. It's got a protective coat on it, just like you might wear a coat on a fall day. And inside right there is the fruit. And that fruit has been made by the plant. And inside the fruit are even more seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So many seeds inside this fruit right here, Niki's pod. Do you know what we can do with those seeds? Because we're going to think about this for next week. We can save those seeds and use them in springtime. This is a fruit with its seeds inside. And those are 6 plant parts: roots and stems and leaves, flowers and fruits and seeds. There's a song we might try to send along too, and you can sing it, and we all can grow it. So good job, Niki's pod. We hope to see you very soon. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.